What up, guys? Welcome back. We are on day 16, I think. So this morning, or last night, I read an article that AMD, as you know, they've been doing crazy good lately. They had two really good days in a row. So an article was saying, their price might be getting a little too expensive right now. So to keep an eye on it. So I decided that I'm gonna keep a close eye on it. So this morning, I got home at 6:15 in the morning after I took my girlfriend to the train. And I saw on the CNBC ticker on the thing at the bottom of the screen that it was still going up. So I was like, okay. I fell asleep though. It took a little bit of a nap. Woke up 2 hours later. Saw the stock started to go down a bit. So I just decided to take my profits on the April expiration options that I have. So that's what I ended up doing. I had 7 contracts with the April 21st expiration. So I sold those and ended up doing pretty well. Made $228 profit and 40.9% return. So, not my highest one, but it's a good return. So I'm not going to complain about that. I don't want to hold on to it and have it go down more. I still have the July 21st expiration, which gives me a lot more time. So even though the stock is down 1.32% currently, this option is only down 4.76. It's much more manageable for an option. The other one was down 15%, so I was like, okay, let me just sell it. So that's what happened there. And then right after I did that, I was looking at, I have some money to spend. Now I have just a little bit to spend. So I was thinking what I could spend it on, and I noticed Domino's Pizza just still going up. It's just been going up all the time this year. I don't know if you remember a little bit back in the, I was showing you this whole chart. At one point, I forget if I mentioned it, but I keep a win-loss record. Domino's Pizza, and I'm kind of behind. I'm 3 days behind on this, so I missed the 2nd and I missed the 5th and 6th, so I need to catch up. But Domino's Pizza was tied for first place, so they were one of the best performing stocks of the year. And I wrote down their starting price. So this is what their price was at the beginning of this year, $159.24. Excuse me. And they're already at $182. So here's what I did. I just clicked on the link, or the link for the ticker, and I was looking at their charts. So this is the 1-day chart. Not much to go off of here. But you click the 5-day. You can see how it's in green. That means this day it went up, this day it went up, this day it went up. So I went to the 3-month. I saw, okay, they had 2 bad months, November, December, they went down. But January, great month. Looks like February, they're still going up. And then I went to the 6-month just to see. So they had 3 months in a row of going up. Then I looked at the last year. 5-year, obviously, we know what happened. I mean, they've gone up every single year. So, this is a pretty solid company to invest in. But I was focusing on the 1 year and saw that they had 3 months of, going down, 5 straight months in a row of going up, then 2 going down. And now it looks like, I have a feeling February is going to be a good month. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy some call options with whatever I can afford. I have $864. So let's go to the quick trade here. So I got to click options. So let's see, buy to open. Let's see. I guess I have to put in a number there. Okay, so let's just see what June looks like. So it's at 181 right now. Let's just say we think it's going to go up to 190, let's say, by June, which hopefully that'll happen, because otherwise we would not make any money. Let's see, call. Okay, so right now, dang, okay, 1 contract costs $760, and I only have $864, so I only have enough for 1 contract. So the only way I could afford more is if I come closer. Let's see, 190 by March. Let's see how much that would cost. Okay, 360, so that's half. I could actually buy 2 contracts for this, and I have until March, which again is not a lot of time. So it's more risky, but February's still early. I mean, it's been going up. It could still, I just need it to go up within the next week and I can get rid of it. So I think I might do that. Let's see. So I can't make up my mind. It's a lot more risky doing it for March. That's pretty soon. Options lose their value really quick that last month. You know what? I'm gonna go June. I'm only gonna buy the one. So let's see. Unless I do 195, let's see what that costs. 580. I still can't afford to buy two, so let's see. I might as well just go a little bit safer. 190. Costs more, but it's more likely that I will make money. Because you can see it's already up 41% today, whereas this one is up, I guess, 0% today. Yeah, I guess. So I'm going to do this. I have enough money to buy one of them, so let's just do it. Commission. Okay, 770, not bad. It's definitely on the lower end. Okay, so let's see. So now you can go in your orders, hit refresh, and you'll see what just happened. So I just bought my Domino's pizza for June 16th expiration date at $190 strike price. Paid $767, which means I have about $100 left. Alright, so that's all the trading I'm going to do today. The markets markets are up, but I'm not up, but it's not like I'm doing horrible, so I'm just gonna kind of let today be a chill day. Alright, I'm gonna get to work and we'll come back and see how the market is at the end of the day. Hopefully we finish up a little bit. Alright guys, the market's closed. We lost money today, but thankfully not as much as we did last week. So it did go down about $1,000 and then it started to come back up. So we ended up losing about 600, I think. I didn't really calculate it yet, but let's have a look. My computer actually died, so you'll notice you'll be seeing me in the reflection for a second. So I'm using this iPad here to show you, and actually it's much easier. It looks much better on the camera here. You don't see all that weird lines and stuff. So yeah, if you remember our balance yesterday, we were like 44 something, so but that was almost down to like 43 flat at one point, so definitely happy it came back up. The big loser for me was Freedom Leaf, which is why I sold it. You can see I sold the last 10,000 shares I had. I took a huge loss on that, but I just didn't want it anymore, and I didn't feel like I was going to be making money anytime soon, so I figured that money could be better placed somewhere else. So you'll see I bought a Domino's pizza call option because they've been doing really well, and I bought a Zillow, Z's for Zillow. You guys might have heard of them. I bought a call option for them, and actually I bought two contracts for them, one for Domino's Pizza. And if you look here, I can kind of get it all in frame here. The Domino's Pizza, I paid $7.60 per share, and it's up to $7.80 already. So I'm already making return on that, so that's good. That's a positive. Zillow, I bought at $3.06 up here, and it's at $3.08. So I'm already up on that one as well. Again, these percentages would have been, had I bought these contracts yesterday, I would have been up this much today. So the Domino's Pizza one had a good day today, even though I didn't buy it yesterday. Still doing good on that. But Netflix, if you look at Netflix, I did have that already. So that was my best gainer today, was the Netflix. Tesla did really well too. And again, I don't own the stocks anymore for these. These are options. So you're going to see bigger numbers with these. Percentage-wise. AMD, the call options I bought yesterday for the July expiration, that was my worst performing one, other than Freedom Leaf, which it was like down like 30% today or 24%. It was down a lot, so I sold it. So yeah, so not a great day, not a bad day, but it wasn't great, it wasn't horrible. I definitely stopped. I think I diversified well enough where I should be okay. The best gainers today were Aptio. I forget what that company does again, so I'll have to look that up again. Elf is a makeup company, so you might have seen their makeup in like Target and stuff like that. BioLargo did well. They're a penny stock. They're like cheaper, so they're working on right now a water filtration system that hopefully will be like revolutionary in the water, like making water filtration cheaper and more effective. Domino's Pizza had a good day, and then Callaway Golf had a good day. Ambarella, I don't know if I mentioned, no I didn't. Ambarella, they make the chips for GoPro cameras, so if you haven't heard of Ambarella, you definitely heard of GoPro. And then of course Netflix had a good day, but these aren't like huge numbers, so no one like really exploded today. I think it was kind of a relatively calm day. So yeah. Alright, so thanks again for watching, guys. If you do like this video, please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button as well. And if you have any friends that are interested in learning how to invest, just show them the vlog and see what they think. Hopefully you can get some of your friends on board with investing with you, and it'll hopefully make the journey less scary for you guys. It's always cool to talk to friends and see what they're doing, and the more friends that I make that invest, it's actually a lot more fun that way too. So if you can share this video with anybody, that would be great. And thanks again for watching, and if you have any questions, comment below and I will answer them. And until then, we will see you tomorrow.